Hi guys, in this video I'd like to talk about my Binance charts blocked on MT5 uh, for strategy analysis and also for strategy development, so whatever you want to do on MT5. So basically the box pull out price data from Binance Exchange and block them on MT5, so you can use the chart for your strategy developments, improvements, or whatever you want to do. Um, the reason is that it's actually MT5 has many tools and AIs that developed over many years, which are very handy for quick strategy developments. All right, so let's dive in details. So basically there are two Binance charts, one for Binance Spot and another one for Binance Futures. So if you open the Binance Future website and you see, so basically there are two types, Binance Spot and Binance Future. Under Binance Futures, there are also subcategories of USDT based or Bitcoin based. So yeah, if you want to know about details, you can look at the Binance Futures website. All right, let's get back to here. So very simple, right? So if you want to open job from Binance, so basically just enter the ticker, Binance ticker here, right? And so you want to download a historical bar from the dates you want, you can enter the dates. Tick updates normally is defaults 1 second, but you can change it because sometimes if your strategy actually trades, on the M5 5 minutes time frame or high time frame, so you don't need to update the bar every 1 second, maybe 1 minute. It's up to you. So you can change it by going to expert list, okay, and you go to property. You can change tick time here. So okay. Right, similarly for Binance Futures, so in this video I just show you the only Binance USDT perpetuals. All right, for other types of future, you can request me to do so. So let's go to detailed setup very quick. Normally it takes you just a few minutes to set up. So first of all, I like to remove the box. Okay, close all the charts. So it's what you do if you have any issues or you want to start all over again. So what you do, you close all Binance charts and go to view, go to symbol. Yeah, under custom folder, you see two subfolders for spots and futures. Click on Binance Spot and you double click on the symbol and right click, delete. All right. Do it similarly for Binance Future. So double click, delete. All right, so we start all over again. So first of all, what you're going to do, you go to tools, you go to options. Now under Webrequest URL, you got to enter 3 URLs. Right, so this one is actually for Binance Spot, and the other two are for Binance Futures. Right, so don't worry if you can see it. I booked the text below the video. So remember, you got to book the URLs in here. So to let's say the box access to Binance Future or Binance Box or website. Okay, so the next thing what you got to do, you download the trial version of Binance Spot charts and Binance USDT perpetual charts under the links below the video. I put the links on the video for you to download. You can try it for yourself. So okay, and book the box under your MT5 expert advisor folder. Okay, so after book them in, you can refresh the folder. Go to refresh here, All right, so next thing what you got to do, you open EURUSD chart, for example. Okay, go to market watch. You open EURUSD, and first of all, let's try with the Binance Spot charts first, right? So here we are. Double click on it, and if you want to change static updates second, you can change it from here. All right, so it's the dashboard is looks very simple. So yeah, so this is ticker by default. From dates, I mean the date you want the bot to download historical bars up to here. All right, so let's open the charts. All right, so we got the first Bitcoin spot. Right, you look in here, and what you see is actually you see the line green line here is the ask price. For the big price of you cannot see here because the spread on the Binance exchange is very tight, and sometimes the lines actually overlap to each other. So don't worry. Let's open another chart. Let's say Solana. Okay, you type in Solana. Right. So open chart. So right, we have the second chart open here, Solana. So all right, so here's the clear. So what you see, so the light green line is at the ask price, and the red green is the bid price, and price is updated every 1 second, right? And what you see here is the box also in the background, downloads historical bars. Okay. All right, so right, let's do it similarly for the future charts. So you open another EURUSD, and you attach the Binance futures, right? So this is Binance futures, specifically for in this case, you see USDT perpetuals, okay? Right, so open the Bitcoins in futures, right? So underscore perps is actually for future, underscore spot is for spots, okay? So yeah, so this is perpetual futures, and this is Bitcoin for spots, okay? All right, for future, let's open another one. Let's say I want to open yes, Doge, okay? So this is Doge USDT charts. All right. All right. So now, so what can you do with the charts? So you can, attach any indicator. So basic, any indicator you want available on MT5. Let's say I want to, so moving average. Okay. So moving average. You see moving average. Right. I can run my box, let's say Bitcoin box on Binance Spot charts. Okay, so here we are. So you can run the box on Binance charts from MT5. So the box actually can try on MT5 and also send orders to Binance Exchange for order placements. So very convenient, very useful. So in the next video, so I will show you how to run backtest on MT5 and send orders to Binance Exchange for order placement. So that would be another video. Okay, so you can do the backtest also. Let's say you go to view, you go to strategy tester. Okay, so this is my Bitcoin's box. All right, and you want to test it. So for example, you want to test it on Binance Spot, Bitcoin Binance Spot here, right? Okay. Right, so very standard, and you can run. All right. Okay, so here we are. Okay. and you can backtest actually run on MT5 from the Binance Spot price data. So very convenient, very useful tools. All right, let's get back to here. So what else can I say? So this is for driver version. Driver version actually can open max 2 jobs. So you can get a full version for $45 for Binance Spot and also future. So two of them you got $45 for official version. For official versions you can open as many jobs as you want. So no restrictions. All right. So what else? Okay, the last thing I want to say is actually if you have any issues, so what you got to do? Okay, so you remove the box. Okay, you remove the box. Okay, you close all the Binance jobs. Okay. You go to the symbol to the click, so all the Binance jobs, they go to custom. Yeah, I delete one by one. So similarly for Binance Futures. So I delete this one. Okay, so right, let's do it again. Right, it's attached. So Binance, okay, Spot. Let's say I want to open so methods. Okay, so see what happens. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is the one. Okay. Right. First box. Still loading. Yes. So let's open another one. Maybe it's ADA. Right. So it's ADA one. Okay. Right. Similarly, you can play around with so Binance futures. All right. So let's open Doge. So this is Doge USDT Binance futures. All right. So I think that's all for this video. So if you are interested in the jobs, please contact me on Telegram as TimVinh. Okay. So if you want you know the tools for other exchanges like coupons or whatever, so yeah, so just contact me and let me know so I can do it for you, customize the box for you. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.